Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this is the new whip, the new daily, which is actually mine because I paid for it. And the last one was my parents that I drove for 10 years or more since high school. So I just, in this video, I'm going to refer to it as my car or my old car. But anyways, same car, same basic principles, a little few differences. I think this is the same year, 90 or 92. I'm not sure what this is about, if that was scuffed up like that, but basically on the old car, I scuffed it too. So anyways, that's pretty similar as well. But anyways, everything is pretty much new. On the old car, I kind of ran into something before, so the headlights were kind of bent in and the grill was kind of cracked. This is kind of cracked as well, but anyways, there's some plastic things on here which I kind of want to remove, which I'm sure we'll just pull right off. But anyways, for the most part, this is what it looks like. Hopefully someone's not trying to turn around right now, which I think they are. Alright, so the guy didn't need me moving and was able to turn around. But anyways, this is the Tour. Kind of switched the wheels. My parents have been switching out some better parts from the old car onto this one. Looks like they already switched the wheels, which might have some flat spots from the skid that I did, but right before I crashed. But anyways, overall it's pretty good. There's a few small things, but in 30 years, what can you expect? The other car had way more. So that's all good now. Got the old license plate frame back on there. I will open up the trunk here in a second, but the back bumper is a lot better compared to the old one, which was pretty wrinkled and had some of the paint falling off on the back. Anyways, same car, DX Camry. It's either 90 or 92 if I said that already. But the paint color is baby blue, and there's some splatters, concrete splatters here from work already that someone did to my car, but that'll just wipe right off. But there's a little, I think, a sticker pinstripe, so that's classy. I'm not sure if we'll keep that or not, but anyways, I'll give you a tour inside, which we got the blue interior, which I actually am in love with. So that's awesome. Everything's like light blue, dark blue, so that's sweet. Haven't really checked out the back seats yet. It looks like my parents kind of wiped the kind of plastic surface down, so that looks super clean and fresh. Some of it looks kind of old right here, like if you see the difference on the top of this glove box and the bottom, it looks like that's where they kind of stopped or whatnot. But anyway, same basic car, all your same radio, everything. I did notice the parking brake is a lot tighter, so you don't have to pull it up as tight to lock it. There might be a few stains on the carpet, which I just noticed. It looks like they switched the floor mats, my parents. Basic same driving principles here. Got your little glove box right here. But feels a little bit different. The shifts feel a little bit rougher, but the miles are extremely low for this car, 85,000. The old car had 227,000, pretty much same year. So this car has barely been driven ever. Anyways, might give you engine tour, but there's not much to see there. Just your basic stuff. But back here you got the back seats. Looks like they switched the floor mats again. Same blue seats back here, and this one doesn't have a pull down. The old car had a pull down right here to whatever armrest or whatever, but anyways, everything is nice and fresh back here. Extremely clean. So yeah, so give you a little trunk tour, I guess, while I'm at it. Same buttons here, and then you got your gas cap right there. So the old car you had to slam the trunk down just right to get it to lock, or basically if you slammed it, it wouldn't lock, so you just had to close it gently. But everything in here, wow, the light bulb works. I never had one of those. So anyways, I don't know if there's a spare tire in here, but this one pretty much closes one press, so that's nice. But anyways, that's the new whip. Super low miles, got it for $2,400. So just have to pay tax and licenses on that, and then yeah, get it re-registered or whatnot with insurance. But anyways, that's pretty much about gonna do it, and hopefully you enjoyed this little quick tour here. But that should do it, and yep, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, share, whatever, all that good stuff. Notification bell. Thanks guys, peace out, bye. And one thing I did want to mention, I guess some things that I don't like about the car. There is a few noises, like I mean the windows squeak really bad, but car turns over really fast, or I guess just as fast as the old one. Let me grab the key here real quick, but start it up for you guys. So I got the air on right now. So it starts up nice, and the air blows extremely cold within like 10 seconds. The old car never really got the whatever the coolant in the air conditioning system fixed or whatnot. It was, I'm pretty sure it was original or something. So the cold air didn't really blow that cold, so it was always kind of warm. It took like 5 minutes to warm up to get some half cold air. But this air conditioning in this car works amazing, and the windows kind of suck on this. They go down pretty slow. I'll show you here. This one is actually decent, but some of these, like over here, take a really long time to go up. That one's actually decent right now, but sometimes, well, the other day when I used it, it extremely sucked, but now it's pretty good. But and I noticed the speedometer actually works, or is not 5 miles an hour over, so speedometer works, and I think the gas gauge works. So I'm gonna fill that up and reset it and test that out. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the car so far, and yeah, it's been good. And yeah, so not much changed, just a few noticeable differences, but or a few minor changes. But yeah, so anyways, that should do it guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace. The only thing I have really noticed, sorry for the shaking noise over here, this right here is gray and all the other ones are blue, so it looks like that was replaced and they kind of scratched this up or something real weird, and I don't know what that's about. But anyways, might try to replace the motors and the windows from the other car, swap those out or whatnot. But yeah, looks really nice with the, it looks like the plastic got all cleaned up, so if you look back here it looks a little bit different. But anyways, that should do it. All right guys, thanks, peace, God bless. All right guys, one last thing I want to mention here real quick. Sorry, I always remember something before the video is finished, but just like the last car, the brakes are useless in this car, so I'm trying to keep as much distance as possible. So I'm kind of driving slower than normal. So usually I just drive the speed limit, but trying to keep extra distance, so sometimes I have to drive a little bit slower. Some guy might be checking on my house right now, I'm not sure. Basically, never mind, we'll talk about that later. Anyways, so brakes are useless in this car still. When you slam on the brakes, they're just useless. This old, 30 years old, they're just not that high quality. So if someone stops right in front of you, you are screwed, especially in the rain. In the last car, I literally slid like 100 feet one time in the rain, and somehow miraculously didn't run into someone in front of me. But basically it's just like ice when you hit the brakes. So anyways, that will do it. God bless guys, peace out. All right, light again. So sometimes at a complete stop, the steering wheel will shake really bad. Not extremely bad, but annoyingly bad. Also, like I said, I think the speedometer actually works, because when I drive by on the street, the speedometer and the radar thing that tells you how fast you're going is actually correct. Just filled up the gas for the first time, and hopefully that'll work. The last car was always like a fourth of the tank off or whatever, so that might work. But I'm also testing that. The old car, I used to be able to get like 300 miles before I filled up, not like red light empty, but I always filled it up at 300 miles. So if I can get 300 miles out of some other things I miss, you know, but that's for the most part of the review, so I'm gonna stop wasting your time now. All right, so if you can hear that noise, that is also the noise that was in the last car, which I thought was because someone put a penny down the vent, like right there, but maybe maybe that's just old car Camry thing, but anyways, yep. But like I said, I'm overall really pleased with the car, and if anything, like the last car, and it was taken care of in good condition. The last car lasted us 30 years before I crashed it. And this one has even lower miles, so I'm guessing you could probably get another 20 years out of this car if taken care of and not crashed into or ran into by someone else. So yeah, it might be around for a long time or whatnot, so we'll see. But anyways, enjoying it so far, and it's been treating me good for the 3 days that I've been driving it. So all right guys, that's it.